video, we built a titanium hood exit for K24 Austin's big turbo GR86 in only 1 day. It was definitely a process to build it, but in the end, it turned out fantastic, thanks to a bit of patience and Jesse's great fabrication skills. And now that the project is finished, it's time to go test it out. And what better way to test it out than to have a little bit of fun with this Supra that we ran into.
Maybe we'll get him to do one more.
It was only making 10 pounds.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's like not even half.
Yeah. It feels slow to you?
Yeah, honestly, a little bit slower. Yeah.
Oh, I know what it is.
What happened?
So when I reset the ECU, it takes like 2 miles for the cams to turn on.
Oh, okay.
The ACS. I'll get him now.
The shift, so he started to come back when you shifted, but immediately as soon as you got into it, it was just gone.
That's an automatic versus manual.
I was about to say, dude, that's a fast Supra.
Damn, dude. Yeah, that's good for the vlog. Gapping a Supra?
Yeah.
Don't put the first one in.
No.
This is supposed to be his little brother. I got it in the wrong setting. What's that make? What are you making? How much power?
All I have is a downpipe, that's it.
Not bad. Yeah.
That's not bad.
He's like, did you turn it up on the second one?
Yeah. That's not bad. Just a downpipe? You can almost keep up with you, but
I don't believe
not
that.
quite.
Yeah. Those B58s make like 600 with a downpipe and a tune.
I mean, with a tune, a good tune for sure, and fuel, 85, and then...
He's got to be tuned, right? With a downpipe?
Probably.
It's like my first real race in this car.
Well, congratulations.
Yeah. So.
Damn, well, that was good. Well, I hope you're happy with the work you did.
I'm very happy. Jesse killed it. Shout out JDL. If you need turbo kit on your car, hit him up.